You are going to love the 2021 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fourth passenger door. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.